Welcome to Tourism Simplified. So let's continue our series. We have already done 25 questions. So it's our 26th question. After the Second World War, the two decades, 1960 and 70s, showed the strong growth of tourism, but subsequently it marked the delay in the industry. To re-evaluate and redefine the objective of social tourism, Declaration of Montreal was proclaimed in. So right answer was in 1996. So question number 27, which is from your national parks, which are already mentioned in your syllabus, and always the question is asked from the national parks which are mentioned in your syllabus. So this Keoladeo National Park, it is situated in your Rajasthan. The Sundarban National Park, it is situated in your uh, West Bengal, and Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in your Assam, and Nanda Devi, which is called Valley of Flowers, it is situated in Uttarakhand. So it was an easy question. Question number 28. The question is from OECD. OECD means Organization for Economic and Cooperation and Development. This organization contains 38 countries, which are not, feasible to remember. But the right answer for this question was A and B, which is Greece and Hungary. So these are the member countries of OECD. There are 38 countries in OECD. It is not recommended to, remember all these 38 countries because these are some exceptional kind of questions. Yeah, but still, if you can, please do. Question number 29. Question number 29 is from unit number 2. It's about climate vegetations. The word climate types, cool, temperate zone, western margin include regions such as. So the right answer for this question was your Belgium, northern and western France, and your Netherlands. So these temperate countries, these are the cold countries. So I have mentioned a map here, uh, which is about different climates. So using this map, you can identify any country which comes under different climates. For example, polar climates, temperate and continental climates, which is in your Belgium, northern and western France and Netherlands. So it will be the right answer for this question. So India comes under which climate? So India comes under tropical region, half tropical and the dry climate. So question number 30. Question number 30 is from sampling. It's your unit number 10, which is about research. So it's about the question was asked about non-probability sampling methods and their characteristics. Screenshot here, which will be very helpful for you to know about probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Please go through this screenshot. You can pause this video to read this screenshot, or you can take a screenshot of this particular page. So right answer was your C and D, low cost per unit sample. That's the characteristic of your non-probability sampling. And the second characteristic is accuracy and reliability unknown. You don't know about the accuracy and reliability of non-probability sampling. So your question number 31, which comes from your unit number 4, which is about travel agency and tour operators. So which is not a privatization model for tourism industry in India. So ownership contract, it's not a privatization model. Your build, operate, and transfer is privatization model. A management contract is also privatization model, and trade sale is also a privatization model. Question number 32. The question is asked from the unit number 10, or I think the unit number 7. In your syllabus it is clearly mentioned about contract indemnity and agreements and difference between agreement and contract. So these are the part of your syllabus. You should know about contents of the contract act. So it's a very small topic. You can easily cover up this topic by googling or simply searching this topic on YouTube. And every year one question is definitely asked from this small unit. So its question was asked not true about the contract of indemnity. So your principal debtor and creditor and sureties are the parties. So that's not mandatory in your indemnity. These things are mandatory in your contract act. The surety undertakes the payment of debt of principal debtor if he fails to pay. No, this kind of things doesn't happen in indemnity. So right answer will be option number 1, A and B. Which amongst the following are not the fault in bed making? So you can answer this question easily by eliminating option. This sale, I have never heard about sale, type of bed making. So C is available in all the options 2, 3, and 4. So they got eliminated. So you can mark the answer as 1, A and B only. And that's the right answer for this question. Question number 34 about brands. It's about differentiation. How you can, not differentiate your product, which are the similar things, which will be similar for everyone, every competitor. So design, you can, differentiate your design, packaging also, and your service support. But your online and offline access, you can't differentiate this thing, and your central reservation, management system, you can't change this thing. So D and E will be the right answer for this question. Question number 85, which comes from marketing, the very first topic of marketing unit, which is evolution of marketing concept. Even this question was wrongly, answered in the answer key. I have challenged this question, but still, the answer was unchanged. So according to NTA this year, the answer is product concept. Yeah, but it should be production concept. So please go through these all concepts like production concept, product concept, sales concept, and marketing concept. I will tell a little bit about evolution of these marketing concepts. So the first of all, the first thing that come was the production era, where the product which are available and easily affordable was recommended by people. And after that, product era came, where product quality matters. Era, which states that if you does not put any effort in making sales, your product will remain unsold. After that comes the marketing era, where customer satisfaction and their needs were important. And now the trading concept is social marketing era, which talk about sustainability and other social welfare things. So question number 86. Question number 86 is about financial management. It asked about the statements, which of the following statements is not correct. So net profit margin ratio is equal to profit after tax divided by sale. That's the right thing. And your funds from depreciation are the sources for of funds available to a tourism firm. So that's also a right thing. And discounting payback measures the capital investment does not ignore time value of money. That's the right thing. But your increase in depreciation result in lower net present value. That's wrong. So option number 4 will be the wrong statement here. And question number 37. Question number 37 is about your conflict process in an organization. So please remember these steps. These kind of questions are repeatedly asked in your exam. So right sequence was, firstly what happened, your potential opposition. After that comes your cognition and the personalization. After that comes intention and behavior, and after that the outcomes of your intentions, or of the or conflict. So option number 3 will be the right answer. Please do remember these steps, and these questions are repeatedly asked in your exam. Question number 38. It simply ITA codes were asked for Calgary and Macau, and the answer was, for Calgary it's YYC, and Macau it's M MFM. So these are the codes. You should remember all the major city and uh, or throughout worldwide. You should know about all these major ITA codes. Question number 39. Question number 39 is about Canadian National Railway. The input here is somehow wrong, because in 1974 or 78 Wyatt rail started. But yeah, the answer was Wyatt rail. It's the national railway of Canada. So Big Five model, I have no idea about this Big Five model earlier than 2024 question paper. So I have pasted all the five content of this Big Five model. Please go through these things. I have pasted a screenshot for your convenience. So it will be beneficial for your future preparations. Question number 41. Question number 41 is about sustainable development during 1990s includes. So first it include UNDP Human Development Report, which is Human Development Index, and after that International Development of Targets, and emphasis is on grassroots uh, participation of sustainable livelihood. So BDE is the right answer for this question. Question number 42 is about Baltic countries. So three countries comes under Baltic nations, which are Lithuania, Estonia, and Latvia. Your Slovenia is not a part of Baltic countries. Please remember Baltic countries. Nordic country, all these countries are important. Next question is about net present value. When we, analyze capital budgeting decision, it is asked to arrange the sequence of these steps taken for NPV. So steps are you determine the project initial cost. After that, you estimate the project future cash flows and its expected life. And after that, you compute the projected MPV, and after that, you make a capital budget decision. So that's the sequence. Please remember this sequence because these kind of questions are frequently asked. So please remember these sequences. Question number 44. Question number 44 is again about sequence of occurrence of these sustainable tourism development conferences or major landmarks. So the first of all, the UN General Assembly Declaration, International Economic Order. So that happened first. After that, the Punderhead report comes, where the sustainability term was firstly, mentioned, and after that, International Year of Ecotourism and Mountaineering happened, and uh, sorry, I have made some mistake. So ECABD is the right sequence for this thing. Uh, Please take a screenshot and please remember this order. Question number 95 is about again from the marketing concept or marketing mix. So production is all about your service standard. Place is dealer principal relationship. Price is your discount and rebate, and promotion is your uh, quality of sales force. Question number 46 is about primary and secondary data resources in research. Which kind of the question was research that focuses on collecting either the primary or secondary data using an unstructured format, informal procedure for interpret. So it's an exploratory research because you researcher has no idea about the topic. So he's exploring the area. That's why he can use this unstructured format for his data collection. So please do remember uh, in which research your unstructured format of data collection is used. So it's used in exploratory research. It's important for paper one also. So question number 47. 47 is again about the sequential order of factor analysis. So it starts from preparation of correlation matrix. After that, you decide the factors, and after that, you rotate the factors, and after that, you interpret and check the model of fit. So ACBD is the right answer for this question. Please take a screenshot and remember this question. So we have to arrange the sequence from south to north. I have arranged it in a wrong way in the paper, but yeah, Bharatanatyam is from Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi is from Andhra Pradesh, Jhumar is from various states like West Bengal, Haryana, Jharkhand, and all, and Hikat is from your Jammu and Kashmir. So by using option D, you can arrange this question easily. Question number 49. Question number 49 is about central tendency, and the question was very easy. In central tendency, in option number D, it is stated that mode is not affected by the fluctuation of sample. Actually, it does fluctuate with the different fluctuation in the sample, and mean, median, and mode coincide in a case of non-symmetric distribution, which is wrong. Mean, median, and mode coincide when there is a symmetric distribution. So non-skewed data, you have mean, median, and mode coincided. So D and E will be the right answer for this question. And question number 50, which is about your organization, communication, how network organization communication networks. So there are various type of formal organization network, which is your vertical network, circular metric, and your chain network, wheel network, and star network. So question was asked. Formal organization network that relies on the central figure to act as conduct for all communication and facilitate the emergency of the leader is called. So it's wheel network. You can know all about this formal organization network communication networks. through YouTube or any videos. I have pasted a screenshot. If you are, if you can understand these things through this diagram, that will be enough for you. So that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.